Good afternoon, students. I hope all of you are fine. Now, at first, the king did not pay attention to these reports, but how long could he ignore these governors and their endless stories about the shepherd? Means, initially in the starting, the king paid no attention to such words, but gradually, after some time, he had to do this. He had to listen them. He had to hear them. Okay. Now, one thing was certain, the king discovered. And what was the thing? The new governor did carry an iron chest with him all the time. Means he did not believe that the governor carried an iron chest with him, but he thought that he must inquire about the reason for carrying an iron chest with him all the time, because he always used to carry an iron chest with him. So now the king also wanted to know about the particular iron chest. So one day the new governor was summoned means called. Okay, he was called to the palace. Thus the king called the new governor to the palace. He was called to palace. Okay, now he came riding on his camel, and to everyone's delight, the famous iron chest was there, fastened securely behind him on the camel's back. Means he came on his camel to the king's palace. He came on his camel. Everyone was feeling joy as the most talked about iron chest was tied behind him on the camel's back. He always carried it. So all the persons who were present there, they were very fascinated towards. They were very excited to know the truth. Okay. Now the king was angry. He thundered, "Why do you always carry that iron chest with you? What does it contain?" After seeing that, he also at that time he also carried that particular iron chest with him. That is why the king was angry. Seeing this, the king shouted in anger and asked him the reason for carrying that iron chest with him always. Now the governor smiled. He asked his servant to bring in the chest. The particular governor who complained about the shepherd, he smiled because he thought that now it will reveal. Okay, the governor smiled and asked his attendant to bring that particular chest. How eagerly the people standing around waited for the shepherd to be found out. How eagerly means how excitedly. They were very excited to see the iron chest. So all the people were very curious, eagerly, also known as curious. So they were very curious to see and find what it had inside the iron chest. But how great was their astonishment, and even of the king himself, when the chest was opened. Now, but when it was opened, they found no precious gold or silver. What they found? No gold or silver or jewels, but an old blanket was all that came out. What came out from the particular iron chest? No precious gold or no silver, but only an old blanket was there. Holding it up proudly, the shepherd said, "This, my dear master, is my only treasure. I always carry it with me." Now, the shepherd took it in his hand with pride and explained to the king that it was his only treasure. You can see it.